Okay, folks, I'm back. I got a bunch of questions for you guys. Okay, this is my Energizer. You've all seen it on the internet. I made some changes to it, a couple of them. We have the negative North Pole facing out, right here. All right. Now, I found something a little strange. When I hold the magnet up against the back side of the coil, and I move the field, alright, the field is generated and it comes back, and it comes to the bolts. Now the bolts are no way connected to the core. Here's the core, the bolts are on the back side. And the core stops at the bottom of the coil. Okay, now the magnets I got, these little tiny magnets in here now. Here, these little tiny ones, they have a 7-pound pull. And they are a little less than a ½ inch round by a 1/4 inch thick. Got them on eBay, $17 for 50 of them. I took them and I taped them on the flywheel in the back. Worked out pretty good. Now at the beginning I misunderstood how the system works, and I hooked up all the coils as a master coil, so they're all of them have 3 wires in them. So now I've disconnected all of them but one. One is the master coil now, and that would be over here in this top one. And I've taken the rest of the wires from all the coils and I've tied them together in series. Okay? Now I want to show you the results I got. It's not exactly what I expected, but it works, but I'm not sure how well. So I'm going to start the flywheel. Alright, now we got, this is the charging battery here. We'll hook up the charging battery. The primary battery is over here. That's the primary battery. Now the voltages on these 2 batteries. The first one, which is the charging battery, right here. Oh, you see it, it's 10.73 volts. Now the secondary, that's the charging battery. Now this primary battery, which is the one that's taking all the juice from, to energize this, right now is reading 12.9 volts. Okay, now the question is, when I take one side of the charging battery off, with the voltmeter hooked up, it shows 188 volts.
Renee.
At a couple of milliamps.